Just take your exam date, if for example for 1 or 2 weeks, and start preparation as fastly as you can.
As
Anand just cleared PMP like 10 minutes ago. Ali have cleared PMP with above target. Congratulations, Raheel, on clearing your PMP in first attempt. You cleared PMP exam with 5 above target. The best thing that anyone can do. 5 above target. Ladies and gentlemen, second student in 3 days, 5 above target.
I didn't expect it that I will get this result. I thought that I will be like target or like above target.
Thanks to you. Without your dedication and guidance, it was impossible for me.
PMP,
Yeah,
it
yeah,
is
we can.
clear to you.
Above target, above target, above target, above target. Do I have to read film book? Do I have said no, no? Like whenever he heard like this guy have read 5 times film book so many times, he always get confused and come back to me. I kept on saying him, you are going to clear, just read 1 time, and that's what he did.
PMP exam. Sean cleared the exam. I actually he cleared it. So Zishan, congratulations that you did exam while you were fasting. And my 49 in 2021 for putting my number near to 50. So how do you feel now?
Thank you, Amir. Actually, I like to go 50, but okay, 49 is also very good. So
No,
actually,
no,
I just started my PMP last
no,
year.
inshallah, we will make 51. Yeah.
So I started my PMP last year, but unfortunately, I did not sit in the exam. But I did my maximum things finish in last years, and then I have also did many mock tests, uh, like prepcast last year, some UDMI. But recently, I just came to know of my to my friend that I just to go and to finish this one as quickly as possible, because first of all, this exam for online exam is also be revoked in near future because of I think so. It is beneficial for us to be online exam at home or office, but later on is going to test center is also very hard for us to go there
Okay.
to give the
Zishan?
exams.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that's why I will start my preparation fastly, and did last week 1 week completely 10 hours per day,
Okay.
and
10 hours per day.
10 hours minimum per day, and then I will did your YouTube videos, listen all of them. Mostly the questions I realize most of the questions are in your videos. um, like you have one video, one question I remember about norming, something forming, like that is a table. I remember this one. It's in your video.
Duckman
That,
ladder. Duckman ladder. Duckman
yes,
ladder.
that was in also in the exam. Also, many questions are there. I just memorize all of them, and I just started your videos last day, yesterday, and thoroughly all goes to all YouTube videos and memorize all of them, all questions, everything, and shortly go to the exam. Because when you are when your patience is not there and you are learning and not going to exam, you lose your mental concentration to the exam. So that's why I did 10 hours per day whole week. Did prepcast exams, also did UDMI, MD, Mohsin something. Have exam, two of them, two of mock tests for Mr. Yasin in UDMI, and your YouTube videos, and I did go to the exam.
Okay. So when you went to the exam, apart from my videos, which questions were more near to the exam? Prepcast, Yasin, or mock?
All of them, some because some all questions are mix of things. I think there's a predictive questions more than 60 70 questions, an agile question, 5 questions from tables, and also mostly they are question from stakeholder and communication. Mostly they are stakeholder and communication. um, I think more than 40 50 question about stakeholder. Also one
40,
question
50 questions
about
stakeholder.
stakeholder, yeah. I remember one question is, I think so I remember that one company is go to other country where they don't have.
No, you cannot share the question.
Okay.
Zishan, you cannot
Okay.
share the
Many
question.
questions, many
You cannot
questions
share the
are
question.
from you, or
That
some of them on Prepcast, a mix of them, but mostly are from your YouTube videos. But some of them they have also.
okay, they were near
Some
to.
of them I don't know, but I know your guess. You told in the messages that the question answers are normally on A and D, and I realize mostly the answers is near about A and D. And there is also one more trick: if they have multiple choice answers, they are normally, if there are 5 options, normally they have B and D. So I don't know.
So you played in the game. You played in addition to the preparation for last week. In addition to that, you also played a game. Answer you put A or D, right?
Yeah, I don't know the answer, A or D. Then I just take, okay, this one is close to the.
That's a very good one from your side. Okay, Zishan,
Yes. You hear me?
after the agile.
Yes, I read the Agile guide.
Okay, so was it useful reading the agile guide?
Yes, mostly 1 2 from them for the Agile. But I think so. I realize Agile question about, from my point of view, is only 30 to 40 questions, and not more than this.
Okay,
Also,
okay. And what about hybrid? Hybrid.
is hybrid. I don't have feel as not more for 5 questions like this.
Okay, okay,
Or
okay. Your question, your exam was more predictive side, right?
yeah, yeah. But the problem is that some questions are very tricky. 1 or 2 questions are from Scrum. I know
Okay.
this Scrum question also in your videos. Um, of consideration on stakeholder management plan and communication plan. Mostly questions are from there.
Okay. Okay. So Zishan, a very important thing. You have watched my videos. I always ask, what is the one advice in 1 minute you would like to give to PMP aspirants who are going to give exam? What is the one advice you would like to?
Just take your exam date, if for example for 1 or 2 weeks, and start preparation as fastly as you can.
As
You're not sure when you are going to go, you are not be prepared very well. So uh, take your date preparation.
okay, okay. Now that's a very valuable advice that you give. But in addition to that, when you book the date, give 10 hours as you gave 10 hours daily.
Yeah, I did last week 10 hours minimum.
Thank you, Jishan. Thank
Even
you.
it's more sometimes, but 10 hours minimum.
Minimum 10 hours. No, that's an awesome. Okay, Jishan. Thank you. Best of luck. And it was an honor to serve you.